it that
Work.
if you're wondering, baby.
Yo, her voice. What the frick is good, YouTube? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Today, we're gonna be checking out a highly requested group, Nona. A lot of people have been wanting me to react to this group for some time now. Hey, but before we start, make sure you go join the Patreon. I post a bunch of exclusive content on there pretty much every single motherfucking day. And yeah, I love all of you so much. Now let's get started. All right, y'all. So I'm pretty sure that this is not K-pop, which obviously I'm fine with. I've been wanting to tap into Benny as well, which is also not K-pop. So hey, let's go. I also forgot to specify the songs that we're going to be reacting to is Work and Honk. Let's freaking go. All right, y'all. First song, Work. Let's freaking go.
Get into it. Work.
Damn.
Work.
Back up at your head's blown. Suntan about to say nothing much on.
Hey.
Island with a skin tone. All the back, get it back, gotta put in that.
Work.
It's that top notch, non-stop, make it hot. Backdrop, keep them guessing. Big flex, break a neck, cut a check, go invest, that's a gift.
Work.
Wrap your waist, trying to hit the treadmill. Do Pilates, how your legs feel.
Yo, this is unique. I haven't heard anything like this yet.
Invest, that's a gift.
Work.
Wrap your waist, trying to hit the treadmill. Do Pilates, how your legs feel. Take a group hike, do them squats. Bitches, go time, go and put in that.
Work.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Put in that work. Shit looks so good, make the world turn. Yeah, I'm into that hot ass bitch, could be my twin. I bet you want that shit. Dance, baby, call that a workout. Lamborghini, how I crash out. So mini, so teeny, hot and sweaty watermelon martini. Wanna walk into the room like $1 million, you can put it on my card.
Oh my
I don't know
gosh.
about you, but I'm making money moves. I'm the one that call the shots. End of the day, you be saying my name. Top of your lungs, I'ma make the ground shake. What an earthquake, going so cray. Sold out, you cut.
Yo, where are they from? They are so beautiful.
Top of your lungs, I'ma make the ground shake. What an earthquake, going so cray. Sold out, you cut at the end. Moisturizer, get your eye cream and the serum. How's the face feel?
Bam.
Ooh, we so hot, girl, it's go time. Go and put in that.
Work.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Fuck it up, girl, put in that work.
Bam.
Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work.
Hey.
Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that work.
Put in that work. Damn.
Put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that work.
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Yo. Okay, first song by Nona. I did not expect that. That was amazing. All right, y'all. Next song we got is Nona's Honk. Let's freaking go. Where are they from?
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror.
Damn.
Posted, buckle up out of here. If we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Bro, I love how unique they are. Both of the instrumentals in this song and the last one, completely different from what I've heard.
Get on the encore.
Damn.
Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Wheels on the bus go round and round.
her voice.
The license plate. Kaka ate. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Vocals.
Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Get on the encore.
Oh yeah. Where is this from? Are they Indonesian? I don't know. Hey. Wow. All right. First reaction to Nona. Very pleasantly surprised. That was beautiful. And I just love the uniqueness of, you know, the instrumentals. Hey, but anyways, that was it for me. Let me know if I should react to more Nona. But anyways, I love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support. I love you. You're worth it. Spread kindness. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.